Operational consistency doesn't sustain itself. It reflects what leaders consistently review and reinforce. Over 70% of digital transformations fail, not because of technology, but because it is introduced without aligning to how processes are actually executed. If you want standards to hold, don't just track outcomes. Review how processes are actually followed. In manufacturing, adherence to operating procedures and consistency in how they are followed across shifts. When process adherence becomes visible and measurable, execution becomes easier to sustain and easier to repeat. That's where structured digital systems make a difference, not as a starting point, but as a way to reinforce how processes are meant to be executed. At ProClink, we focus on strengthening process foundations first, then layer digital capabilities in a way that aligns with real execution. Reliable outcomes aren't accidental. They come from doing the basics right, consistently. That is discipline. And that's how digital investments translate into results you can trust.